Hi, I'm Tada of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna show you how to replace a heater element of Panasonic toaster oven. Okay. First, I'm gonna remove the back cover. Okay. Front. This tray. This. And you pull this one. And push this guy. And also remove the front door, 2 screws. And door, front panel, 4 screws. And then you can also remove this guy. Okay, then remove the rubber cap on the legs. And remove screws on the legs. And 2 more screws, one here just next to the power inlet, and top here. Okay, then you can remove the side panel, and now you unscrew. I'm gonna replace the bottom heater, so I'm gonna unscrew this guy and the other side also. Then there's the sheet metal, that has some claws, so you wanna bend these claws so that the heater element can slide out. And we got the replacement heater element. So I will insert it. so that you have to be careful about the orientation of this heater element, otherwise it's not gonna fit well. So I'm pushing the element from one side to the other side, and then you're gonna put these electrodes and screw it. Side. So one side is actually the kind of the stopper, and the other side has the some claw. So I'm gonna bend it so that it's gonna stay in the slot. And put the electrode and screw it. Okay, and make sure both ends are tight. Okay, alright, it's good. Then I'm gonna put back the cover. And one more screw next to the power inlet. Okay. Alright, then just trim also this one. So these parts, this part also, this also has some the insert, so that you have to put this part insert into the groove so that it will stay there. Also put the rubber, the legs, not really legs, but some pad for the legs, and put the front door. This guy. Okay, it's done. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.